Hi guys, it's me again. We are talking about in social studies all about me. It'll go along with what you did in math today. And our activity today, we are going to make ourselves. So I have made myself and I'm going to show you how to do that. Once you have done that, make sure that your parents take a picture of it and send it to me, email or Dojo. So the first thing I did was I have my t-shirt. You will need to grab your person, okay? You need some scissors, you need some crayons, and you need a pencil or a pen. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your t-shirt, and yours will be all together. You will not have yours cut out yet, but mine is cut out right now. You're going to fill in these several things here. Your hair color, mine is light brown. Your eye color, mine is hazel. If you have any brothers, I do not have any brothers, so I put 0. If you have any sisters, I have 1 sister, if you heard my video in math today. My favorite food is tacos, and you'll fill in your favorite food. My favorite color is purple. My favorite book is Crenshaw. My favorite movie is The Notebook. My favorite animal is a dog, although I love cats. My favorite TV show is The Andy Griffith Show, and yes, Miss Cruz is old, but I love The Andy Griffith Show. It's one of my favorite. It's really very relaxing to me. My favorite sport is swimming. I coach swimming, and I was a swimmer from the time I was probably 7 years old until I went to college. And I swim competitively, so I love swimming. My favorite school subject was reading, language arts, English kind of thing. My hobbies are swimming, piano. I love to sing. I love to play with my dog. So you're going to do yours, and then once you've filled in all the blanks, I want you to color your shirt, but color it lightly so that you can still see your answers, okay? Then sit that to the side. Then I want you to pull out your shoes, like Miss Cruz has done, and I colored some shoes. And color your shoes. Color your skin lightly unless you have darker skin, and then you can color your skin darker. Color your shoes, and then grab your shorts, and you're going to color your shorts like Miss Cruz did. And then you're going to make yourself on your face. You will draw your face and you will color it. Make sure you draw your hair. And hopefully this will focus a little better for you to see. Let's see if I can focus it a little better for you. I'm sorry. It gets a little unfocused sometimes, but we're going to try to fix it. There we go. There we go. Perfect. All right, so you guys can see that Miss Cruz, it doesn't look anything like me, does it? I don't think so. If you look at my picture down here, and then my face, not quite, but Miss Cruz is not a drawer. I apologize. You will learn that, but it's pretty close. So then once you have colored all of your things, you're going to put it together. You're going to glue them together. So I did not tell you, you will need some glue. Make sure you cut out everything. So what I did, and this is just a suggestion for you, I cut a little bit into the jawline and around my hair so that I can put it in like my chin underneath, or excuse me, my chin underneath and my hair on top, because my hair is a little longer and it goes down on my shirt. So you see how I've got that? Then once you put that together, I'm going to raise this up a little bit so you can see even more. I'm going to move it up some. You're going to put the pants on. Okay? So then you'll glue that part on. Now move it up some more so you can see. I do not have mine glued together, but you will glue yours. This is just so you can see. Then you're going to put your shoes on, but you're going to slide these up underneath your pants so that you can see the legs up underneath here. Has everybody got that? Okay. If you have any questions, you can dojo message me or you can email me anytime with any questions that you have. So that's how we're going to do that, and then you're going to glue them all together. Now, your person does not have arms, so I'm going to show you how you can put arms on here. So let's put our head back over here, actually, in our shirt. Okay. I'm going to show you how to make some arms. So, if you look over here, let's move this paper down just a little bit. Move my head up just a tad. All right, so on this side, you can make your arm. And we have a bend in our arm, so we're going to pull this down like this and pull it down like this. Okay? So now you have a part of your arm. There's your elbow. And then we're going to pull down our arm here and just go down here and then make some fingers. See that? There's your arm. Now, it's not perfect, and Miss Cruz's is kind of off, but yours probably will look a lot better. And you can make your arms however you like. They are your arms. Then you're going to flip it on this side. Move my head again. And you're going to do the same thing. Okay? So then you have your arms, and you can paste your arms on the outside of your shirt. Make sure that when you are finished, your parents send your picture to me via email and dojo. Don't forget that. Or if you're doing it, you can do the same. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'm excited because I get to know you a whole lot better by all these little activities we're doing. And we're going to post something later so that you can see all of your classmates. So I hope you've enjoyed these activities today. Hope you guys have a wonderful day for the rest of the day. Bye!